Okay, so we have this is question 3 now. We have what is 17.86 divided by 0.19. So we have this concept of division, right? So remember our 3 steps we have here: multiply, subtract, we have bring down, and repeat. So let's set this up. So we have our dividend inside the bracket. We have 0.19 as our divisor. Switch to green here. So in order to divide decimals, we want to actually get rid of the decimal here. We want to think about, we don't want decimals on both the divisor side and the dividend side. So how do we get rid of it? So if I see I have 2 places or 2 spaces, 2 decimal places, sorry, in the divisor, I can actually move this decimal here 2 spaces to the right. And I'll get 19 here divided by, if I move 2 spaces here, I can actually move this decimal place 2 spaces to the right. You can think of this as multiplying by 100 to both sides. So now we have 17.86. This now is much easier to solve, right? Because we have no more decimals. So let's do it. So we have 1917. And again, if we multiply here, I can't multiply by 1. So I have to multiply by 0, which means I can't look at the first 2 places. I gotta look at 3 places now. I have 178, sorry. So 178, what number goes into 178? So 19 times something equals 178. Well, we know that 19 times 10 equals 190, right? So by default, I can do 19 times 9, right? Because that's the next closest number to 190 here. So let's put a 9 here. This is multiplying. So I'll do multiplying green. So we have 9 times 9 here is 81. So we have 1 here. And I have, so 9 times 9 is 81. So we have 1, and that's carry the 8, right? So 9 times 1 here is 9. Plus 8 is 16. Sorry, 17. Yeah, 17, sorry. So subtract, do a different color. We have 178 minus 171. Obviously 8 minus 1 here is 7. We're bringing down the 6 here, and then we're gonna multiply again. So what goes into 76 now? So I have 19 times 1. So obviously 19. Maybe try 19 times 3. 3 would be 3 times 9 here is 27. So 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. 57, not quite there. So maybe 19 times 4 might give us our answer. So 4 times 9 here is 36. So I have 6 here. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 3 is 7. Oh, perfect. So 76 here, 76 here. So I could actually put 4. And 4 times here. I know here for a fact it's 76, right? Let's check our work. 4 times 9 here is 6. 4 times 1 here is 4. Plus 3 is 7. Remainder is 0. So our answer here is 94.